Struggling to keep kids focused during study time? Or maybe you need help staying on track at work? Let me introduce you to the Time Timer Home mod. This visual timer is a total game changer for productivity. First reason, it enhances focus with a clear visual countdown. You can literally see time slipping away, super motivating. Kids, students, and even adults love the visual cue. Second reason, it's completely silent, no annoying ticking sounds. Perfect for quiet study sessions or distraction-free meetings. No more losing focus because of background noise. Third reason, it's incredibly versatile for any environment. Use it at home, in the classroom, or at your office desk. Parents, teachers, and professionals all benefit from it. The Lake Day Blue design looks modern and calming. It blends seamlessly into any workspace or study area. Setup is super intuitive, just twist and go. No complicated buttons or confusing settings to worry about. Great for kids who need a little extra structure. Also, ideal for adults managing meetings or work sprints. Helps everyone stay on task and finish on time. If you homeschool, this is a must-have study tool. Teachers love it for keeping classes on schedule. Even professionals use it to manage their daily workflow. The visual countdown reduces stress and boosts productivity. No more guessing how much time is left. Just glance and know. It's especially helpful for kids who struggle with time management and adults who want to avoid procrastination. The silent operation is a huge win for shared spaces. No one gets distracted and everyone stays focused. It's portable. Move it from room to room with ease. Whether you're cooking, studying, or working, it fits right in. The timer is durable and built to last for years. You'll wonder how you managed without it before. It's also a fantastic gift for students or busy parents. Encourage good habits and time awareness from a young age. Plus, it's available with fast, free Amazon delivery. No need to wait. Get it shipped straight to your door. Thousands of users rave about its effectiveness. Check out the reviews and see for yourself. Ready to take control of your time and boost productivity? Don't let distractions or poor time management hold you back. This timer makes it easy to stay organized and focused. Imagine breezing through homework, meetings, and chores. Time management doesn't have to be stressful anymore. With Time Timer Home MOD, you'll actually enjoy staying on track. It's simple, effective, and looks great anywhere. So why wait? Make time your friend, not your enemy. Click the link to grab yours on Amazon today. Experience the difference a visual timer can make. Join thousands of happy users and boost your productivity. Don't miss out on this must-have time management tool. Perfect for students, professionals, and parents alike. Transform your daily routine with just one simple device. Ready to get more done in less time? Order your Time Timer Home MOD now and see results fast. Stay focused, stay productive, and make every minute count. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.